So today I decided to come outside and I have my exercise thing inside of me. My exercise outfit, but it's quite cold. So I want to do skipping. I want to do 500 skipping today. So let's do 500 skipping. Because I decided to bring it out today for you to see. Can you see me? It's quite cold. So let's go. Count with me. Let's go. 16, 17, 20, 30, 22. That's 32. We keep going. 32 and keep skipping. I want to do it for 500. 500 is my target today. Yeah. 32. 32. Let's go. 32. It's not easy, guys, but it's so cold. So I decided to come outside. Take it. I've not even done 100, and I'm panting like this. What's this glam say? 500 is our warm up. Hey, what's this glam? 500 is your warm up. If I can do 500, I don't finish exercise for the day. Oh. Let's continue. Why did I even stop? 60 something. Let me do 50 more. And this my floor is not smooth.
Yeah. Yeah. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Cause we go motivate you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Content will go benefit you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Subscribe, make you elevate your mind. And make sure you like, go. Drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Yeah. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day.
Wow, yeah, guys, I was not able to do any 500 though. I managed to do 100 plus of skipping and I was very okay. One thing I also realized about exercise is when you are doing it and you feel it's okay, don't push it. Yes, I determined to do 500, but I didn't get to 500. I did less than 200 skipping rope. Let me know at the comment section if you're skipping, how far can you go? Yes, but before February runs out, my target is to be skipping 500. As a matter of fact, if I can skip 500 a day and do some push-up, I think I'm good to go. Okay, let's continue. Now, I thought to do something else, and at this time, I was already sweating. Yes, even though it was freezingly cold when I started, I was sweating. So I thought to change my style to do this one. So keep watching. I hope you have been moving also. I hope you have been moving. Don't give up on moving. Keep moving. Okay, let's continue. Just enjoy it. I think with the music, it helps a lot. It just helps you. Okay, let's continue. I'll do as much as I can go and we'll see.
demonstration. Are you ready? Now let's go. I can't get them and I was zero. Otomaya say talking at you. One minute no rebu talking at you. 1 minute no temu talking at you. Organero day talking at you. Opori beru talking at you. Organa bogagana talking at you. Organa yekarena talking at you. Ori beru talking at you. Ori beru talking at you. Ori beru na talking at you. Talking at you. Atakanduga talking at you. Atakanduga talking at you. Organemen talking at you. Kajaromen talking at you. Idesumen talking at you. Organero day talking at you. Adada call you me say talking at you. Adada call you me say talking at you. Organero talking at you. Organero talking at you. Organero day talking at you. 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 Organero talking at you. Atakiga talking at you. Takadu takadu you organa talking at you. Ataki talking at you. My God talking at you. Kasaki Giovanna talking at you.
Yes, that's it, people. Enough of the shaking, the moving, the jumping. The whole essence is just to keep fit. Yes, afterwards I took my bath and I got ready to go out. And guess where I was going in this video? Just guess. It's a baby shower I was attending, and it's a new mom to be, and with the friends, close friends, family members, we thought to organize this baby shower, and it's a beautiful one. Look out for it. It will drop on my video very, very soon. Please like this video, subscribe, share us out, and above all, drop me a comment. I love to read your comments. Thank you to all my returning subscribers, and thank you to those that are just joining the family. I appreciate you all. See you all in my next video. It's your girl Esther. Okay guys, see you. Bye bye.